Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to analyze Polygon, which was called Matic network before, along the 5 key dimensions. And then after analyzing it along these dimensions, we will make a price prediction. So the first dimension is the team. The second dimension is the key problem which it solves. The third dimension is key aspects of value proposition. The fourth dimension is partnership. And the fifth dimension is exchange listings. So let's go ahead and analyze Polygon, which was called Matic network before, along all these dimensions, and then make a price prediction on the basis of these key dimensions. And in this video, we will be using the words Matic network and Polygon interchangeably. So please keep that in mind. For those of you who don't know me, I am Dr. Sabil Khan. I am a blockchain expert, a business strategist, and an award-winning scientist. So first of all, the team. Matic was co-founded by 2 experienced blockchain developers and 1 business consultant from India, who are Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nalwal, and Anurag Arjun. The team has strong competences in business development, blockchain technology, and marketing. So Matic has a diverse team from all over the world of 30 professionals, which support the project in different areas. It enhances not only its value proposition and development, but also its global brand perception. And now let's have a look at the second key dimension, which is the key problem which it solves. So here, first of all, we will have a look at the threat of Polkadot and Cardano to Ethereum. So the delays in Ethereum 2.0 platform has caused several challenges for its ecosystem, and Ethereum in its current form suffers from the problems of the second generation blockchains such as scalability and interoperability. These problems must be mitigated, otherwise many dApps in the Ethereum ecosystem will switch to Cardano and other third generation blockchains. The team of Cardano has already demonstrated the Ethereum converter, which makes it super easy to port Ethereum dApps and the tokens to Cardano network. With Cardano having super high transaction speeds, enabling interoperability and also mitigating other shortcomings of second generation blockchains, we expect that a large portion of Ethereum dApps will switch to the Cardano network if the shortcomings of Ethereum in its current state are not overcome. Polkadot achieves scalability and interoperability due to its unique architecture consisting of parachains and parathreads. This allows increased transaction speed as well as creating blockchains which are tailor-made for specific use cases, making them very conducive and aligned to the specific use cases. If you want to know more about the way Cardano and Polkadot mitigate the shortcomings of second generation blockchains, please click on the links to the videos I made on them, which I have provided at the end of this video. So please watch this video in full. So how can Ethereum maintain the current lead in terms of market cap and biggest ecosystem of dApps in the space? How is it going to do that? So we have already seen that Cardano price is rapidly approaching to $1 and Polkadot is already among the top 5 cryptocurrencies. The recent surge in the price of these coins called ADA and DOT has made it very important to fix these shortcomings of Ethereum. Otherwise, despite its network effect and first mover advantages, it will lose its dominance as the most prevalent blockchain smart contracts platform. It will just simply lose its place. So we have to fix it, right? So no matter how much we stress on the fundamentals and future vision of blockchain projects, the price and market cap as well as the team are best marketing tools. And we have already seen it in this rapidly evolving space. The recent surge in the prices of competitors and the fame of Polkadot and Cardano founders Gavin Wood and Charles Hoskinson respectively are taking the spotlight away from Ethereum now, which is not good for Ethereum's dominance in the space. So now how Polygon will solve the problems of Ethereum? Polygon mitigates the issues of high transaction fee and enables scalability on Ethereum by utilizing sidechains, which use the proof of stake consensus and via an adapted version of Plasma. So basically, the Plasma framework has been modified by the team of Polygon instead of reinventing the wheel. This is a smart move, since it helps one focus on the grand scheme of things instead of unnecessarily going down the rabbit hole of conceiving new solution just for the sake of inventing it. Directing energy on rather moving ahead and inventing the components that bring new value to the table is actually what matters, and this was therefore a smart move by the team. So for those of you who don't know, Plasma is a framework for creating decentralized applications which can scale easily and can interoperate with each other also. This was originally proposed by Vitalik Buterin and Joseph Pone, who is also the co-author of the Lightning Network. As is clear by now, Plasma aims to solve Ethereum's scalability issues. Conceptually speaking, there is a lot of conceptual alignment between the architecture of Polkadot and Plasma. For example, in case of Polkadot, we have parachains and parathreads, which are essentially blockchains which can execute transactions independently and can also interoperate. Likewise, Plasma consists of a framework of secondary chains also, which can reduce the non-essential interactions with the Ethereum blockchain. Now, indeed, Ethereum has consolidated its position in the sense that to this day, it has the biggest ecosystem of dApps, of which DeFi applications have been the most discussed in the social media in the past 10 to 12 months. All of these dApps are built on the top of Ethereum, which are fueled by Ethereum smart contracts. Despite that, scalability and interoperability have been its major shortcomings, and Plasma comes to the rescue by helping it mitigate these issues and helping it achieve greater scalability. So in the same way as the Polkadot architecture consists of parachains and parathreads, the Plasma network operates as a hierarchical tree where we have many smaller chains that branch out from the main blockchain. Similar to the parachains and parathreads, in case of Plasma, these smaller chains are child chains or Plasma chains. Therefore, the side chains of Polygon are Plasma based, on which we can deploy the smart contracts instantly. So if we sum up everything, we can say Polygon provides a layer 2 solution which uses side chains and has its own dedicated proof of stake nodes, which retain the security of digital assets during off-chain computation. So the token used by Polygon is used for staking in order to secure the chain, and apart from that, it is used for paying the transaction fee on the network also. So what do we conclude after discussing this key dimension? So the main objective of Polygon is to help Ethereum in getting ahead of Polkadot and Cardano, which is very important in this time frame. Also, the rebranding of Matic Network to Polygon does not mean that the previous products will be removed. The team has assured us that they are here to stay. So Polygon is a scaling solution for the Ethereum network, which allows Ethereum-based transactions to be carried out within seconds via innovative protocols to improve user experience across a range of decentralized applications in the Ethereum ecosystem. And now we go to the third key dimension, which is key aspects of value proposition. So as mentioned before, the main purpose of the Polygon or Matic network is to enhance the user experience. This is achieved by fast processing of ERC20 tokens that could be interoperable with other dApps. And now we go to the third main dimension, which is key aspects of value proposition. So as mentioned before, the main purpose of the Polygon or Matic network is to enhance the end user experience, and this is achieved by fast processing of ERC20 based tokens that could be interoperable with other dApps also. Since Polygon uses Plasma framework, it makes it easy for developers to build decentralized applications. It should also be noted that Polygon provides faster and more efficient integration of Matic or Polygon onto dApps. Matic Network provides SDK and APIs for developers. Once again, the word Polygon and Matic Network are used interchangeably over here. So in addition to the Wallet Connect support, This is very important because now the developers can actually incorporate the key benefits of Polygon network into the dApps of Ethereum network. So being an off-chain decentralized scaling solution, the scalability is achieved without compromising the user experience. No issues in this regard have surfaced to date since it has been fully operational since the May 2020 mainnet launch. At that time, Matic Network was not branded to Polygon yet. So another aspect of value proposition is high throughput. So Matic is a one-stop shop for DeFi, bringing a wealth of blockchain scaling solutions and interoperability options to the space. With incredibly high throughput using sidechain tree architecture, it has been shown that a single Polygon network chain can process up to a jaw-dropping 65,000 transactions per second, which means that it makes transactions incredibly fast and inexpensive. It therefore enables a throughput with a multitude of millions of transactions in a day via its sidechain tree architecture. Now, another key aspect of value proposition is security. So since the Polygon network uses the proof of stake consensus algorithm, the Polygon chain operators themselves hold the positions of stakers and delegators within the network. In this way, they enhance the security of Ethereum, which is already one of the most secure blockchains in the blockchain domain. Yet another key aspect of value proposition is interoperability. So after rebranding to Polygon, the main focus of the team would be to provide multi-chain interoperability and also enhance the transaction speeds. So the purpose of the ecosystem is to enhance scalability of Ethereum via solutions such as ZK rollups, optimistic rollups, and Validium. We can discuss these terms in upcoming videos if you like, but we need to focus on the big picture over here in this video to see the impact of Polygon and its viability as an investment. So Polygon enables interoperability of the digital assets amongst various sidechains and blockchains. The network incorporates interoperable ERC20 based cryptocurrencies as well as ERC721 based NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. So by now you must be getting an idea of how valuable Polygon is to the Ethereum ecosystem. But the value proposition doesn't end here. Here are the applications in DeFi space. Since I explained before, the Polygon solves the two main problems of Ethereum blockchain, which are interoperability and scalability. The network's sidechains offer a wide variety of decentralized financial services. And since these sidechains can be adapted to different use cases, therefore, a wide variety of DeFi applications can be hosted on Polygon sidechains for different use cases, and hence its architecture intrinsically contains the flexibility to support tailor-made solutions for different use cases. And now looking at the big picture a little bit. So impact and use cases, this is yet another dimension of value proposition in its own. So in short, by using a combination of the Plasma network and proof of stake, Polygon will provide secure off-chain computation and therefore help in offloading the Ethereum blockchain. And the last prominent aspect of value proposition of Polygon is ease of programming dApps. So Polygon is in pursuit of developing a layer 2 solution on Ethereum. Polygon will provide developers with many different options in terms of scaling solutions to choose from so that they can choose the solution that suits the use case and value proposition of their application better. So this has been the main strategy which will be deployed on the Polygon SDK. So far we have discussed the team, we have also discussed the problem which Polygon network solved, we have also discussed the key aspects of value propositions of Polygon network, and now we will go ahead and look at the partnerships of Polygon. So if this video has given you some value, please smash the like button, subscribe, and also hit the notifications bell so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos in time. And I always make sure that the content on this channel is valuable and it is made with one and only one purpose only, that is to inform you about the best investments in this space before others know about it. And now let's have a look at the fourth key dimension, which is partnerships. So I found that Polygon has a lot of partnerships, but over here in this 10 minutes or 15 minutes video, we cannot actually go through all of them. So I will only go through the most prominent ones in my opinion. So the first one is the partnership with Refinance. So the partnership of Polygon span a wide variety of actors, including some of the most prominent and innovative projects which play a key role in the mass adoption of DeFi applications, such as Refinance. I covered Refinance in great detail in one of my videos because it is one of the hidden gems in the DeFi space with huge growth potential, and if you want to watch that video, the link of that is above. So another partnership is with the Chainlink, which can greatly increase the use cases of Polygon dApps, since they can assess the off-chain data to create new dimensions of value proposition for the customers, and I covered the impact which the Chainlink will have due to one of its partnerships with the Bana Smart Chain, and it is explained in the video above. Also, Polygon integrates Chainlink's verifiable random function VRF to generate random numbers within smart contracts, which brings verifiably random chances to smart contracts, opening the possibility of more future integrations and use cases too. So now let's have a look at some other partnerships of Polygon. So the list of Polygon partnerships is quite long, as I mentioned before, and I won't be able to cover all of them in this video. But as far as the business and economic impact is concerned, in my own opinion, here are some of the other ones which I think are very important. So the first one is partnership with Anchor Network to co-create novel solutions for scaling by conducting cutting-edge research in that area. Yet another important partnership is with Terra Virtua to explore new avenues of end-user experience for decentralized transactions, which are mostly slow, complex, and expensive to carry out. So for those of you who don't know, Terra Virtua is the world's first full immersive and interactive online PC and mobile collectibles platform. Yet another important partnership is with Opoo Labs to bring scalable and secure blockchain infrastructure to the healthcare industry. So as we have seen, Polygon has forged a lot of important partnerships in many different domains, and I think it is going to be very important for its long-term sustainability and economic impact which it will create in the blockchain space. And now the exchange listings. It is already on a number of tier 1 centralized exchanges such as Binance and Huobi Global, and also many decentralized exchanges, as we can see on the coin market cap. So liquidity is not a problem, and we can easily buy the tokens of Polygon by going to these exchanges. And now comes the most interesting part, the part for which we have been waiting, and that is the price prediction. So on the basis of the 5 key dimensions and the business and economic impact of Polygon, I am personally very optimistic about the long-term impact of Polygon because of the following 6 conclusions drawn from the key dimensions which we just discussed. Number 1, it enables wide array of Ethereum dApps to mitigate the problem of blockchain 2.0 platforms and can make them on par with the dApps done on the top of Polkadot and in the future on Cardano. Number 2, it is a red pill that will allow the DeFi dApps in prolific Ethereum ecosystem to interoperate with blockchain 3.0 platforms such as Cardano and Polkadot. This will scale Ethereum dApps to use cases never possible before. The third conclusion is new use cases for the Ethereum dApps. The fourth conclusion is off-chain data access for Ethereum dApps by utilizing functionality of oracles like Chainlink. The fifth conclusion which we can draw is that the outstanding partnerships of Polygon network are definitely going to serve the Polygon network in the long run and help it create enormous value in the blockchain space. And the sixth conclusion that we can draw is that it will help the Ethereum dApps in tackling the existing use cases more efficiently. Therefore, it will create profound impact across industries and help Ethereum network to become more resilient to upcoming trends and changing demands of the industries and use cases as they evolve. So I can personally see Polygon playing a key role in industries and use cases such as micropayments, gaming, decentralized exchanges, lending and credit scoring services, atomic swaps, and identity. So I personally believe that it can achieve a market cap of $3 billion easily in this bull run, provided we don't enter the bear market in the next 6 months. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It is just my opinion based on the research which I did. And I strongly recommend that you do your own research because this market is very volatile and very risky and your capital is at risk. So with the current market cap of just $499 million, we can see a 6x increase in the market cap and price if the circulating supply remains the same. As we can see on the coin market cap, its total supply is 2 times the current circulating supply. However, in the long run and upcoming market cycles, if the project delivers on the roadmap, we can see a much higher market cap in the coming 3 to 5 years, which could be around 8 to 10 billion US. Also, as Ethereum 2.0 development continues, it will be interesting to see the evolution and viability of Polygon in the long run. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you think that this video has given you some value, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell and press the likes button, and I will see you in the next video with yet an amazing deep dive into another great blockchain project. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.